Hi, I'm Mark Davis, and I'm the owner and CEO and chairman of the PureClean franchise network. And I'm also the co-CEO and owner of Signal Restoration, which is a large loss restoration company. I've been in the industry for 29 years. And so I was involved in, ASCR a little bit early on. And then I just wasn't seeing the value. I drifted away, continued, on in the industry. And then about 3 years ago was recruited by Mark Springer and by Jeff Moore. And I was very hesitant because I hadn't seen value in the organization in the past. But when I opened up the hood at their request and took a look at what RA was doing with the AGA and honestly with the alignment, working towards a better alignment with IICRC, I saw some real opportunity there for us to really unite the restoration industry to be one voice, and we're making progress. We're not there yet. We have a lot to work to do, but I was so surprised by actually the progress that the RA was making and what direction the RA was going that I was compelled to then run for the board at their request. And now this is my second time on the board, and I've made a long-term commitment, assuming I hope we still get elected, but I will tell you I'm fully engaged now. And on behalf of my companies, both PureClean in the US and Canada and Signal, is that we are all in supporting the RIA mission and really the movement of where RIA is going now.